let's understand this key down code block. Before that, let me show you the code that I have created here with three different colored gears. So this is without using any user input or key input. This code is supposed to simply rotate the gears in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. So this is the code for that. I have set the different geared rotation speeds, and it either incremented or decremented it, and this value will decide the speed with which it will rotate. So if I increase the number, the speed will be more. Either it is in clockwise direction or it is in anti-clockwise direction. Now let's try to use if conditions along with the user input using a key. So I'll assign three different keys for these three gears. Let me take three conditional statements, which is if, and I want to assign three different keys to make sure that these three gears are operated when the user or the player presses any of these keys. So I'll go to world and take this block called key down, and we'll get to know shortly what does this block do. So let me assign three different keys to these three conditions or the gears. So only when say the up key is pressed, the following code will be executed. For the next gear, I want to use the key called down, and for the third, let me take left. So the blue gear will be operated only when the up key is down, and the down arrow key, when it is down, then the second condition will be checked, and this code will be executed regarding the green gear. And when the left arrow key is down, the third gear, which is the red gear, will be operated. So I can decide the speed as well. So let me change this number from 1 to 10. And the important thing to notice between the key down and key when down code blocks is that the key down code block will check whether the key is down continuously. So the true values generated will be in multiples, like they will be continuously available, either true or false. So let me use these keys now. I have pressed the run button. If I press the up arrow key continuously, the blue gear is operated continuously. So if I press it only once, then it operates only once. But if I continue to hold down this up arrow key, then the blue gear continues to rotate. If I hold the down arrow key, then the green gear continues to rotate. And if I use the left arrow key and hold it down, as long as I've pressed it down, the left arrow key will continue to rotate the red gear. And I can use all the three keys at the same time as well. So you can do that, right? And you can also change these numbers and experiment with the speed with which these gears will rotate.